Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Word. In this module, I want to show you how you can compare two documents that have been edited by two different people and combine them into one document. So on the screen, I've got a blank Word document open and I'm on the Review tab at the top there. This is where I need to be, where it says Compare. I'm just going to click on that and it comes up with Compare, which is a legal black line option, but this one is what I'm going to use, combine. So when you click on that, it gives you the option to either select a file that you've already had open, you might have it open in there, or open a file, which is what I'm going to go for, and it's going to open a file in this folder. And I've got two documents which are called the same but with different dates. They're called Review. So I've got Review 2018, which I'll open, and then on the other side I'll open up Review 2020 so you can see how that works. So they're exactly the same documents, but they've been edited at different times. So there it is there, Review 2020. So you've got them both open, both edited by me, but normally that would be somebody else. But the fact that they've been done at different times, you'll still get the sort of answer you've got there. Now you can open this up and expand this and tick things on or off. It's totally up to you, but I'm just going to click OK on this one. And then what you get is the document showing you on the screen with the combined comments. Now I want to look at this slightly different. I'm just going to click OK to that because track changes is on both these documents. Now in the compare icon, if I go onto that, you've got different views that you can select. So this is hiding the source documents. I want to show both. So it's going to show me both the documents down this side so you can see where the changes are. So in this top document 2018, that first line there is pretty straightforward. It's all black. But on this second one, that's all black as well. But the differences between them, you can see that untroubled has been deleted in that one. So you can't see untroubled there. So it's a case of looking at this combined document and finishing off the track changes. So you can go through it, accept the changes like so, or reject the changes that these people have made. I'm just going to click through it, accept most of them, I'll reject a few, and then you end up with the document where you've changed it. And there's a few mistakes that need sorting out in this one as well. And then you get the revisions down the left hand side there, the things that you've just done, and that's what you can refresh that if you want, and there's a completed document. Now what you do with this now is totally up to you. So you can close those other two windows down and then you can save this combined results. So you can see it there, combined results. I'll take track changes off and I'll get rid of these two. Don't need to see them anymore. So hide source documents. So I'm just left with this document. I don't need to see the revisions, so I'll just close that off, and then that's what I've got. What I need to do now is save this as whatever I want to call it. I'm not going to call it Peter Lorimer, but just save it, and then you've got this file complete, which is a combination of the other two ones. So hopefully that little video has been of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.